Towboat pushing hard where the big river lies, climbing through the locks like a stairway of steel, from St. Anthony Falls down the upper Mississippi. Engines roaring, smokestack in the wind, massive toes stretching, let the journey begin. Diesel thunder crew shouting loud, pushing through the current, standing proud. No easy road, but we on this ride, keeping the heartbeat of America alive. From the locks of greener Kentucky to the open waters of the Gulf, these towboats keep America moving, full throttle, never giving up. From Meldaw's mighty gates where the Ohio bends, to the Delta car where the big river ends, grain, coal, and fuel rolling night and day. Heartland tows are leading the way. Yeah, the rivers keep us rolling, hear the engines play. Ohio River winding from Pittsburgh down, past Cincinnati lights to the southern towns. Mildaw locks swing wide, let the big tows through, loading up the